So the question is, what would actually happen to your body if you completely gave up sugar for 2 weeks? Let's take a look. Number 1, you'll lose your appetite for sugar. Every time you eat sugar, your body releases a hormone that drives your blood sugar down, creating a mild hypoglycemic state, and that drop makes you crave more sugar. So when you stop eating sugar, those cravings naturally fade away. Number 2, you'll feel less hungry overall. You won't realize just how much sugar fuels your constant hunger until you remove it. Once you do, your appetite settles. Why? Because your blood sugar stabilizes, and your cells can finally receive proper fuel. When you're relying on sugar, which the body sees as toxic, it starts to resist it. That's what insulin resistance is. The body blocks insulin to limit sugar from entering the cells. Number 3, you'll feel more energized. People who eat sugar regularly often feel tired after eating. That's a blood sugar issue. But once you stop, you'll notice that you're no longer getting that post-meal fatigue. With normal sugar levels, the brain can stay alert instead of sluggish. Number 4, you'll lose excess water and fat. In your first week, you'll flush out quite a bit of water along with some fat. After that, the fat loss continues. You might be amazed by how much fluid your body was holding on to. Some people can lose up to 13 pounds of fluid within a week. Number 5, your skin clears up. You'll notice fewer breakouts and a healthier glow. That's because sugar raises insulin, which increases androgens, especially in women, leading to acne. In men, insulin spikes can lower testosterone, creating other hormonal issues. When you cut sugar, your skin reflects that shift. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's always craving sugar.